the event with Adrian McIntyre. He's a storytelling expert. I've noticed a few of his posts popping up on my feed because we're friends now on Facebook. And, just watching him and listening to him, I've learned a couple things that, and I think a lot of times when we listen to people, we subconsciously gather information from them and use it in the future. So that's the whole purpose of surrounding ourselves with people of where we want to be, how we want to improve, people that are already there. Because some of it's consciously picked up and some of it is even just like we just soak it in like sponges and then regurgitate it and don't even know it. My tip is to kind of follow storytelling experts. Russell Brunson, he is an expert on storytellings, and then Adrian, and then I found this site that I really like. It's called themoth.org, and it kind of is just basically a forum for people to tell their stories. And there's so many different topics and there's so many different people and so many different ways that they tell stories. And I watched one today from a woman talking about how she was given 3 days, a 3 days like eviction notice. She was going to be evicted in 3 days, and she was going through a divorce, and she had a daughter, and just kind of what she did in those intense circumstances and how she felt. And it was amazing. She did it in 6 minutes. She told her story in 6 minutes for that whole thing. And it was emotional, and it was thought-provoking, and it was, it was tender. It was just all these things in 6 minutes. So what I learned from her again was how important details are. The small details that you think no one would really care about, if you say it if they matter, if they're part of the story and you say it with passion, then it adds to the story every time. So I think, just follow people who are storytelling experts. Check out themoth.org, start listening to really well put together stories, and you'll kind of take away some specific things, and then you'll just soak up more information.